My mom's not home, so that's why I'm struggling. Yeah. I'm a big girl now. Can't believe it. Hello. Mic check, mic check. Nakalagay USB. Is my voice that loud though? USB recording. Magluluto kasi tayo ng shabu-shabu balls with improvised halo-halo na kung ano-anong ingredients na ngayon ko lang naisip. I ordered kagabi, placed ordered. Actually, dapat kahapon ko pa to na bili yung mga vegetables and what do you call this, shabu-shabu balls. But the seller told me, nope. Bukas ko na lang pwede deliver kasi cut off na namin. So yeah, I'm cooking this for lunch now. Tinatamad ako. Bro, I wanted a video that, oh my goodness, umiinit na yung kalan. Wait lang. Amoy sunog. Wait lang. Bro, it's not. It's not. Ay, dapat pala tinost ko muna yung onions at what the heck? Sige na, toast ko muna. Tapon ko muna siya. Bro, ito ginagawa ko sa sarili ko. Let's first toast the onions. Dapat pala ito yung una kong cut. And then, water. Sunod. All the years I put in for the American dream. So wonderful. You can be here with me. If I stuck on the lane, my feelings fade away. What I can say, yeah. I don't know what I'm cooking, but I'm cooking anyway because I'm home. Bro. No. Ayoko lagyan ng oil because apparently I'm going on an oil-free diet this day. Ngayong araw lang. Papansin ko kasi dumadami na pimples ko. Bro. Tapos bukas oil na ulit. Bukas bibili na ulit ako ng fries sa canteen. Grabe siya. Hindi ko na din alam yung ginagawa sa sarili ko. Nalibot na ng cellphone ko ang buong tour sa aking kitchen. Sana hindi ka mahulog. Hindi ka mahulog. Oh, she's a girl with the American dream. So as I if I stop in the lane, you're here. It's okay. What are we gonna say? Ay, honestly. Ito, ang iniisip ko dito, maganda dito prito para sa akin. Sobrang sarap talaga ng fried kamote. Pero, wag na lang kasi nga, no oil for today's video muna tayo. I'm going boiling. Marami pa akong in-order na kamote online. But this is fine for now. Just kidding. And then, I'm gonna put this shortly. Yes, soak ko muna siya sa salt water and then I will let it sa to. Pagka nalinis ko na siya, gonna dump all of it inside. And then, walang instructions kasi sinasabi dito when I'm gonna put the shabu-shabu balls, but like, when, I don't know, gonna figure that out later. Online class pa ako. Take a look for a minute on how many vegetables I bought. It's like, I'm this mother figure ngayon na bumibili ng mga gulay. But the thing is, she doesn't know. Iniisip ko pa nga. Siguro iniisip ng seller sa akin. Sabi ko kasi sa seller, 1 piece cabbage, 4 pieces ampalaya, 1 piece broccoli. Samantala, ang nakalagay doon per kilo. How many pieces is per kilo again? And then like, titimbangin ko. I'm like, how many pieces is that? Titimbangin po. Okay, whatever you do. Like, we're gonna put water. Because this is basically a soup. I think. Oh, syempre, may tubig eh. How do you like? Please excuse my unkabogable skills in cuisine. I'm not born for this, so I don't do this. And like, bro, I'm not cut out for this. Like, when I grow up, I feel like I'm gonna hire a private chef. Ganun ko talaga. Perfecto. Got that right, girl. Like, I'm such a hardworking person, can you tell? I just wanna eat, bro. I just wanna eat. Ano na, mga 11:30 na siguro. Okay, now boil. Sana hindi mangyaring last time na hindi pala siya kumukulo. Nakapatay pala ang extension. Over. We're gonna do cleaning of the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, gonna clean so it's clean. Actually, kahit pala dapat di ko na binalatan to. Alam niyo ba kinakain ko pati yung balat? It's like typical French fries. French fries. No. It's like your typical potatoes. You can eat the balat, bro. I didn't know I had to go all through that. Kasi ibubuil ko siya. When I'm frying that, I do not remove the peel. But I'm boiling it now. So I think I should. Yeah. Hindi kasha yung takip, boy. Where's the frickin'... Got it. Fit. Now we gotta wait so I can put this. Para magkalasa naman siya. Actually, di ko alam kung... No, shut up. I'm taking a voiceover of myself right now. Di ko alam kung bakit walang audio yung video. Man, I think my mic betrayed me. Ang haba kaya ng video ko tapos wala akong volume kaya. That's what you get, man. I told you I'm taking a video. I know. I told you I'm taking a recording of myself. Wala akong pake. Pa-post ko nga sa YouTube. Baliw. Pero ayaw. Wala kasi siyang volume. Di ko alam kung anong nangyari. I demand a refund from this freaking mic. Sira siguro siya. Pero di ko alam, bro. Yeah, I'm disappointed. Anyway, sayang yung video ko. Walang volume. Di ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. So, I just might watch it ng ganyan. And then, mag-paste na lang sa voice recorder ko. It sucks, but it works. I don't know. Alam mo, kasi feel ko makaka-copyright ako dito. Kumanta ka ng Ed Sheeran eh. Pag ako na-copyright, tapos tinanggal nila yung song ko, hindi na ako siguro mag-i-edit. Tatanggalin ko na lang yung voice over ko, tapos post ko na lang ulit. Man, this sucks. I thought it doesn't, but it actually sucks. Tawa ka ng tawa. Ang weird mo. Oo. Cause I didn't want... Oo nga. Ay, hindi pala yung si Ed Sheeran. Ay, si ano? Hindi si Ed Sheeran. Si ano? Si Justin Bieber. Weird. I knew that. No wonder sabi ko, ba't parang hindi si Ed Sheeran yung kumanta. Hindi ko alam kung bakit Ed Sheeran yung lumabas sa bunga ko. Shabu-shabu and vegetables. Can't wait to eat the balls in it. Like, wow. Isn't it delicious? Like, I've got this one is the kamote, the shabu-shabu ball, yeah, random. And then the gulay. And the soup, which I love. Okay, let's go. Can you hear me? Oh my god. Still a mess. My lunch. Shabu shabu with gulay and rice that I prepared myself with my hard-earned work. Like, girl, tell me it's not delicious. The most experimental thing you've seen in this planet. I've got I've got different varieties. And then gulay. Tapos somewhere in the, I don't know, is the, ayun, kamote. Hindi ko na makita yung iba kasi ang lilit ng cut ko. And syempre rice, like Filipino staple food. Happy eating with your family, with your loved one. It tastes like shrimp and crab and seafood. I'm a big fan of seafood. So this will always please me in different ways. May laman siya. Baka lahat may mystery na laman. Ay, ang cute. May laman po pala siya. Ang galing. Hindi ko alam. Nakita ko lang kasi sa list of 2. In-order ko po sa online sa a friend. So, lagi pong in-order ni mama. Tapos nakita ko sa lista may shabu-shabu balls. Lagi ko, add to cart. And then, wala siyang laman. Ano lang talaga siya. Try it out yourself, bro. It's the best.